Before you begin, remove the base enclosure, battery, speakers, M.2 solid-state drives, thermal module, DC-in module, and motherboard. Removal. Remove the mylar that covers the IR sensor board. Remove the two 2.5mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the IR sensor board to the top cover. Lift the IR sensor board off of the alignment pins on the top cover and remove. Reverse this procedure to install the IR sensor board.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe for more videos and weekly updates.